everyone, welcome to HSAC Coaching Center. So today was the last of JEE 2021 drawing batch for the second attempt, and this was their test. We gave them a test, a final test in which we would tell them the corrections, give them the final tips and tricks, and tell them how to practice from now till the examination. So guys, I thought to share this video from you guys because I think that in this video I've given some very crucial tips and tricks and my final things which should help you guys from now till the examination 2021. And if you are a 2022 aspirant and you want to join the online coaching NATA and JEE, you can contact me on the number which is given in the description box below, also on the email ID, and also you can check the website out. All the course details and all the fee structure is given there, so you can check it out. Before starting today's class, I told them to tell me how much improvement they have seen in their drawing in 2 to 3 months, because this was a crash course, and also how much confident they feel about the examination. So guys, without much introduction, let's get started with the video.
पहले के मुझे कंपोजिशंस में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती थी, तो अभी थोड़ा बहुत अब आने लगा है और प्रैक्टिस करूंगी तो शायद और इम्प्रूव हो जाए.
ठीक है. So your composition which you have made on the kite festival is nice. You have used 1 point perspective and you have tried to use the perspective वाला technique very nicely, so that's good. तो तुम्हें पर्सनली अब आगे कैसे करना है प्रैक्टिस एंड इम्प्रूव? यू नो द टेक्निक, यू नो 1 point perspective, probably 2 point perspective also. So this is for all of you that for the examination purpose, you guys need to know 1 point perspective and 2 point perspective only. ठीक है, because probably 3 point perspective will not come in the examination. For those of you who have already learned 3 point perspective, जितना तुमने सीखा है that is enough. ठीक है, 3 point में अभी end moment पे I don't think it is a good idea to practice, because right now you should just practice and focus on what you have learned and what can come basically. जो सीखने का time था अभी वो गया. Now this is the time for you to practice as much as you can. This is your practice time. ठीक है, अभी तुम जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे तुम्हारा उतना ही कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा एग्जाम में. सो प्लीज मेक दिस क्लियर इन योर माइंड. And in this sketch, if I talk about, the composition, overall composition is nice. I feel that in your sketching, the thing which can be improved is that, if we talk about design, if we talk about observation, if we talk about technique, this dot method, you all know that we follow it. Yeah. And the other thing is that we also follow is composition. ठीक है, तो एंटायर स्केच में डिजाइन होना चाहिए, तुम्हारी ऑब्जर्वेशन होनी चाहिए, एक टेक्निक जो हम सीखते हैं 1 point perspective. हाँ पार्थ बोलो, यू सेइंग समथिंग?
नहीं मैम, नथिंग.
Okay, so we talk about design, we talk about observation, we talk about technique, and the final thing which is for all of you is the composition, which is very important in your examination and for the examination point of view. और वो ये है कि तुम्हारे जो sketch है वो technically correct होना चाहिए. If your sketch, just listen to me very carefully, if your sketch is not technically correct and you have not used 1 point perspective or 2 point perspective in a question where they are asking for 1 point perspective or 2 point perspective, for example, if the question is draw a kite festival scene, or maybe draw a bird's eye view, or maybe any perspective question, if they are asking you and you are doing a wrong thing in the technique wala part, so your marks will considerably get deducted. So please guys, focus on your technique. Even the students who are in 7th and even a 9-year-old kid who is in the other batch is able to make the technically correct sketches. So you guys are so grown up now, and of course you will be able to make technically correct sketches. It is not that difficult. 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective, you have to learn it. This is absolutely necessary. तो अगर किसी को perspective sketching में problem है, just don't practice anything else but 1 point and 2 point. right? You have the recorded lessons, you have the videos, you can understand the videos again if you have any doubts. Okay. The next thing is observation. For example, what comes under observation is, for example, this is a sketch. So the understanding of Vanshika and her observation level is on this platform, okay, is on this level. But if you have to improve the observation part in this sketch, maybe you can draw, maybe you can do something to, finish it up. Maybe you can just add a little bit of more buildings over here, because the it is not possible that your entire buildings will just get over in this part, right? It will have a little bit of more things, maybe some कुछ पीछे होगा, कोई चीजें होंगी, कुछ buildings होंगे, right? या कुछ तो होगा, maybe a tree or something like that. So you have to make things as much as they are visible to you. So that comes under observation. You have to remember that when you have seen the light, when you go outside, what do you see? You have to remember those things. This is known as memory sketching. So memory sketching does also comes in the examination. They want to sketch, they want to see. We all have given NATA examination, right? So there was that question जिसमें there used to come that figure and then you have to observe it. So what they were testing was actually your observation. Okay. So the same way, when someone is saying you in the examination, if the question is that you have to make a sketch, that means they want you guys to test, like they want to test your memory. How much do you remember from the real world outside? Okay, how much do you remember the things? So that is known as memory drawing, and that these questions also come a lot in the examination. So second point, which is very important, is that you have to draw as much as you remember. Okay, maybe you can just draw a road over here. Maybe just ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि रोड होता है एंड देन डायरेक्टली तुम्हारे घर के अंदर ही एंट्री हो जाएगी, कोई सीधा मेन रोड से तुम्हारे घर में घुस जाएगा. ऐसे कोई गाड़ी चल रही है, कहीं एक्सीडेंट हुआ, तुम्हारे घर के अंदर ही गाड़ी आ जाएगी. So this is not the thing which is actually there. So how is it? How is it actually there? We all know it. I don't need to tell you guys. हम सबको पता है कि मेन रोड से घर कहाँ कैसे कनेक्टेड होता है, फुटपाथ होता है या फिर एक एंट्रेंस गेट होता है या whatever is there. So you know one point perspective. I know you all can make it. So make it. Don't make shortcuts that okay, this is okay. Not. The more detailed your sketch will be, trust me, the more marks you will gain. And that's again a brownie point, because that anyone can make and you should make it. Right? So just try to make what you have observed. Now, this ending wala part, most of you maybe you do have some problems in it. So this ending part should be it should be accurate and it should be clear. It's, of course, you don't have to show the point. Please don't do the mistake of showing like this point. It looks super bad. Okay, you don't have to show a point and you don't have to end it randomly. Like you don't have to just not show anything over here and just end it. Maybe you can just make a building over here in the front, right? This is possible. Or maybe if not a building, if you don't want to show a dead end, maybe you can just make the road like this, that the road is going curve or something like this, and then just make some trees over here or something like that. So this is the way that it's not a dead end, it has something over here and the road is just going curved, right? So this is how most of the ends are, right? So you have to think that how, when I go on the road, what things I see on the end. Okay, is that a point, is that a tree, is that something, a house? So what do you see? So that you have to observe and that you have to make. Otherwise, this sketch over here is nice. Now, again, if you see this balcony over here, so look at the dimensions. I'm not saying that this can't happen or this is wrong, but just for aesthetic purpose, I think that you could have just extended it till here. It will just give a more bigger view of the balcony, right? So you could just have extended it like this. You don't need to show like other side of it. Just one side would be okay. So तुम्हारा जो balcony है, that would be something like this. You could just have made one line like this, then like this, and then one line over here, and then like this. Okay, so this will also work. Ankita, are you here?
Yes, DM.
So how much like improvement have you seen in yourself now?
I improved with perspective drawings, which I didn't knew before, and also I improved in understanding about color theory and all.
Mhm. Okay, so I liked your sketch. You know, overall your sketch is looking very nice. When I saw it, overall, like I feel that your sketches don't lack the understanding of one point perspective. You have it. You have drawn a pretty well one point perspective question, like in the for the examination. Even the shading, I feel that you have overdone the shading part a little bit, because you know, when like this is for you, if the question comes in the examination for one point perspective, don't overdo with the shading part. Okay, just take one source of light, maybe from one direction, and then just shade the things in that direction, like no, opposite from that direction. Okay, so suppose the light is coming from this side, so maybe you can shade this part over here, and you know, some inside parts of the window, or maybe a little bit like that. So when you will shade only a little bit things, then it will bring dimension in your sketch. Okay, don't shade everything, because that makes no sense. Basically, just shade a little bit of things, take one light direction, and then just shade. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें नीचे की शेडिंग करनी है, तो maybe you can do something like this and then just leave it, right?
Yeah. got
So
it.
this is something you can do. And the other thing is, the other thing that is very important, and the only point of improvement is, don't I feel that the marker you have used is a little bit too bold in these points, at these points. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Don't use this much bold markers. Okay, they actually make the sketch very it you know what happens is, when you use bold markers, you can't detail the sketches more. You can only make limited details, है ना? अगर तुम ट्राई करोगे कि यहाँ पे मैं और थोड़े विंडोज बनाने की ट्राई करूँ या कुछ और डिटेल, तो वो नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू हैव यूज्ड अ बोल्ड मार्कर. अगर तुम पतले पेन से बनाओगे, तो तुम ज्यादा डिटेल बनाओगे, राइट? तो बहुत ज्यादा पतले पेन से भी नहीं बनाना. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल ही पतले पेन से बनाना. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, बट जस्ट ट्राई टू take some, like I feel that these parts over there is also again fine, but इतना बोर्ड नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है, इतना चलेगा जो तुमने इस साइड पे बनाया है, this part. ठीक है?
Okay.
So just try to switch for a good micron pen. You can find it on Amazon, a good micron pen, and practice from that, because this technique which you are using from pens, that is good, and you are able to make a very good level of sketching. Okay, that would be. I think that you are not giving the examination, Abhina. You will give it next year. You are in 11th ना?
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
ठीक है, तो अभी तो तुम्हारे पास बहुत टाइम है प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस लो, प्रैक्टिस करो. आई फील दैट जब तुम्हारा नेक्स्ट ईयर एग्जाम होगा, तब तक तो यू विल बी एबल टू मेक वेरी गुड स्केचेस. यू नो वन पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव, यू नो टू पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव. सो आई फील दैट जो पहले प्रॉब्लम आती होगी कि बिना देखे हुए कोई इमेज हम नहीं बना पाते थे, यू नो दैट हैपेंस अ लॉट. वी आर गुड इन स्केचिंग, हमें स्केचिंग अच्छी लगती है, आती भी है, और हम कर भी लेते हैं. बट वो होता है ना कि जब खुद से बनाने की बारी आती है, जब हमें पता नहीं होता कि हमने कभी वो स्केच कहीं से देखा नहीं है, या फिर गूगल से भी नहीं देखा, बिल्कुल इमेजिनेशन से बनाना है, तो उसमें दिक्कत आती है, राइट? तो आई फील दैट नाउ यू आर एबल टू मेक स्केचेस फ्रॉम योर इमेजिनेशन, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so just practice it and you will do good in the examination. Okay, let's move on to the next sketch. Sneha.
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha, so how much improvement do you feel?
Ma'am, I really improved. पहले पता नहीं चलता था प्रोस्पेक्टिव स्केच कहाँ से बनाना है, बट आई कैन रियली इमेजिन एंड ड्रॉ द थिंग्स एंड सीन्स राइट नाउ. A color scheme, really I can use the color scheme better now in composition and other portraits.
Okay, good. That's good. And even your sketch, I feel it's really nice. and you have done a good job in it, because you have just made your sketch in a way that is not looking very overcrowded, but at the same time it is detailed. ठीक है, I feel that इतना डिटेल दिखाना enough for एग्जामिनेशन में, इससे ज्यादा डिटेल I think टाइम भी नहीं होता. So I think that you have done a good job regarding that. And the point of improvement for you can be that I don't know, I feel your sketches are really nice. पीछे की भी तुमने this like the merging of pencil and pen is also nice, क्योंकि पीछे तुमने थोड़ा सा pencil use किया है, ज्यादा pen use नहीं किया, to make it a little bit faint. And सामने के जो sketches है वहाँ पे तुमने pen use किया है to make it a little bit more I feel that जो ये तुमने strings बनाया ना, ये भी pencil से होता तो better लगता, because they are not this visible, right? तो तुम ये समझ लो कि जो भी चीजें तुम्हें दिखानी है, जो भी चीज तुम्हें मतलब फोकस करवानी है अपने स्केच में, यू शुड मेक दैट फ्रॉम पेन. ठीक है, बाकी इफ यू आर जस्ट यूजिंग दिस टेक्निक ओवर हियर, द मर्जिंग ऑफ पेन एंड पेंसिल, सो जो भी चीज यू नीड टू फोकस, यू मेक इट फ्रॉम पेन, एंड द थिंग्स विच आर फेंट एंड जो दूर है बहुत, ठीक है, जो ज्यादा ठीक से नहीं दिखता है, जस्ट मेक इट फ्रॉम पेंसिल. ठीक है,
Okay.
so that this thing you can try making a lot of questions and practice a lot of questions. I think you will do good in the examination. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, Kusharika is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Kusharika, so how much have you improved?
मैम फर्स्ट जब मैंने क्लास लगाई थी उससे पहले तो मैम मुझे पता भी नहीं था ऐसा कि मतलब कैसे ड्राइंग करनी है, उसमें मतलब ऐसे पर्सपेक्टिव वगैरह नहीं आते थे. तो अब जब मतलब क्लास लगाई थी उसके बाद मतलब मुझे बहुत कुछ पता लगा है, मतलब कैसे स्केचिंग करनी है, कैसे बनाना है, और मतलब कलर स्कीम्स वगैरह सब कुछ. तो मतलब बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूव हुआ है क्लास लगा के.
ठीक है, तो दैट इज वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी बात है. एंड इवन यू हैव अटेंडेड अ लॉट ऑफ क्लास, इट इज आल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारी क्लास अटेंड नहीं की है, बट तुमने रेगुलरली काफी सारी क्लासेस अटेंड की है, सो दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. एंड अभी तुम्हारे जो स्केचेस है वो अभी जितने भी बच्चों ने भेजा है, यू हैव मेड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्केचेस. दिस इज लाइक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिटेल्ड एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट बेस्ट स्केचेस जितने भी अभी तक मैंने डिस्कस किए हैं. ठीक है, तो दैट इज वेरी गुड, एंड आई थिंक दैट यू विल डू गुड इन द एग्जामिनेशन, बिकॉज तुम्हें 1 पॉइंट पर्सपेक्टिव क्लियर है, तुम्हें टेक्निक्स क्लियर है, तुम्हें पता है कि ऑब्जर्वेशन और डिटेल्स की क्या वैल्यू है, एंड इवन द कॉम्पोजिशन यू हैव मेड इज नाइस. यू जस्ट ट्राई टू शो एज मच एज इट इज पॉसिबल टू शो. जैसे यू हैव शोन सम हाउसेस, देन पीछे यू हैव आल्सो शोड लिटिल बिट ऑफ माउंटेन्स. सो दिस इज डिटेलिंग, दिस इज नोन एज डिटेलिंग. सो इफ यू आर डूइंग दिस, you are on the right track basically. And for your shading part, I think जो shading तुमने करी है वो भी सही है, but just don't make single line. यहाँ पे तुमने एक चीज, जैसे अगर ये तुम्हारा छत है, ठीक है, तो इसमें एक डबल लाइन जरूर दिखाओ. सिंगल लाइन में ना कोई चीज एंड मत करना, बिकॉज हर चीज की कोई ना कोई थिकनेस होती है. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज लाइक एक लाइन से नहीं दिखती है, हर चीज की कोई ना कोई थिकनेस, कोई ना कोई डायमेंशन होती है, राइट. एंड द गुड थिंग इज दैट यहाँ पे भी तुमने थोड़ी सी स्पेस खाली रखी है, बिकॉज दिस स्पेस of yours is very much filled, and you have even tried to show curtains and designs of in the buildings and many details like that. So that is good. Just keep doing it like this, keep practicing things, and I think you will do good in the examination. Okay,
थैंक यू.
I think that we have discussed all the sketches, and finally I am going to give you guys and tell you guys some tips and what you should keep in your mind when you are practicing your sketches from now till the examination. Okay, so these are nothing special, these are the things I have been telling you all the time. So let's start with the techniques. Let's start with the perspective sketching question. अगर perspective पे आता है कोई question, ठीक है ना, पर्सपेक्टिव पे अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता है, मतलब पर्सपेक्टिव जैसे कि कोई काइट सीन आ गया, कोई मॉन्यूमेंट का सीन आ गया, कोई भी व्यू आया, राइट. सो दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव. जस्ट think that. Okay, just don't think that is a question of a kid's drawing, because it will not. Trust me, they want, if you are using perspective, if you are using the techniques, you will get brownie points. Okay, you will get it. So use the techniques. That's the first point. Use the techniques. Okay, now you have learned 1 point perspective, you have learned 2 point perspective, you have learned 3 point perspective. So 3 point को avoid कर सकते हो, क्योंकि 3 point usually नहीं आता है. 1 point और 2 point ही use करना. That will be on you, and that will be your choice. ठीक है. If the question, if you feel that the question is more suitable to 1 point perspective, use 1 point perspective. If you think that it's more suitable to 2 point, you can go for a 2 point perspective. ठीक है. So techniques को पहली priority दो. If you are not through with the techniques, just be through with it. Basically 1 point में जो tips हैं वो ये है कि all the lines should be vertical or horizontal or converging. That means it should go to the point, or it should be completely vertical, or it should be completely horizontal. ठीक है. अगर तुमने इन तीनों को छोड़ के इसके अलावा कोई और टेक्निक, मतलब कोई और चीज यूज करी, तो तुम्हारी 1 point टेक्निक गलत हो जाएगी. Right, so just keep this in mind. For 2 point perspective, either it will go to the left point or the right point, or it will be vertical. अगर इसको छोड़ के कोई और चीज यूज करी तो गलत हो जाएगा. Unless and until you want to show a slanting surface, of course, but try to avoid a slanting surface, because that's a more higher level of sketching. Okay, so try to avoid it. Only use lines which are going to the left point or the right point, or they are completely vertical for 2 point perspective. So this is for the technique. Now if you are just try to consider on details. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, details, design, observation, this is very important for sketching. अगर तुमने normal से sketch बनाई जिसमें detail नहीं है, और तुमने एक sketch बनाई जिसमें तुम बिल्कुल अच्छे से detailing कर रहे हो, frames बना रहे हो, अंदर पर्दे दिखा रहे हो, for example one girl showed it from the other batch, if you seen that sketch. So the more you detail your sketch out, the more marks you will get. So practice on how to detail your sketch. Okay, if a question comes on maybe design a washroom for a 6-year-old child or some question like that, so please think कि वो question designing के ऊपर है. It's not about details, it's not about things like that. Of course it is about, you have to use perspective, you have to use details and observation, but you also have to use designing your own design. If the question is you have to make a washroom for a 6-year-old child, so that means there can be endless number of things which you can design. Maybe you can design the wash basin a little bit lower, maybe you can add some cartoons on the wall, maybe you can add colorful carpet, a beautiful colorful design of the washroom. It's for a child, right? So we all know what things a child wants. Maybe some cartoon which he can relate to, which he can play with, a small bathtub, small things for the child, right? So this all things come under designing. So the more you will focus on designing, the more marks you will get, of course, along with the details and the observation. The fourth thing is the composition, which we also talk about the 3D compositions. That sheet पे कोई एक पार्ट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जिसपे सारा वेट जा रहा है. ठीक है, सपोज एक पार्ट पे तो तुमने सारी बिल्डिंग्स बना दी, सब कुछ बना दिया, और इस पार्ट पे बस एक ह्यूमन खड़ा हुआ है. So how will your sheet look? It is not composed, right? It's looking super ugly. So that is why you need to compose your sheets. If you are making all the buildings on this part, just try to make something over here. Maybe you can make water, trees, or something like that, something which will balance the sketch out. So composition is also very important in perspective sketching or view wale sketching. So these were all your tips for the first sketching. And अगर तुम्हें टेक्निक नहीं आती, टेक्निक प्रैक्टिस करो, डिटेल प्रैक्टिस करो, छोटा सा स्केच बनाना एग्जाम से पहले, and just rough your sketch out that what do you want somewhat in your examination. Okay, what do you want to make in your final sketch? If you will not make this small rough sketch and give 2 to 3 minutes to it, trust me, तुम्हें बिल्कुल final करने में अपने main sketch को बहुत time लग जाएगा, and you will not be able to manage your time. So if you have time issues, you're not able to complete your sketch on time, follow this. Before making your main sketch, make a small figure, you will get a rough sheet, उसमें छोटा सा sketch बना के try कर लेना कि तुम्हारे mind में क्या है and what do you want to show in the final sheet, right? So these were all the tips for perspective sketching. Any other doubts?
Dee, can you explain ant view again?
ant view basically, you know, I did not talk about ant view or give you some the questions about it because JEE में ant view जैसे difficult questions नहीं आएंगे. It is basically NATA में आते हैं. But in ant view it's nothing. If the question comes on the ant view, that means the eye level is very low. ठीक है, you are bird view में eye level is very above, and in ant view the eye level is extremely low. ठीक है, तो if the question comes on the ant view, just take the horizon line a little bit lower. ठीक है, then you just need to take the points. One point is over here and one point is over here. You can even take the points outside the sheet. Okay, it's not like you always have to take the point inside the sheet. मतलब अगर तुम्हारी शीट इतनी बड़ी है और ये तुम्हारा फाइनल फ्रेम है तो तुम अपने पॉइंट्स जहां एंड तक भी ले सकते हो, जहां पे तुम्हारी शीट एंड हो रही है. ठीक है ना, बॉर्डर पे लेना जरूरी नहीं है. सो थिंक अबाउट दैट. देन यू हैव टू मेक द बिल्डिंग नॉर्मली ऑन द ग्राउंड. ठीक है, suppose this is the building. Now usually when ant eye view comes, okay, when ant eye view is there, usually the sketches are in 3-point perspective. 2-point में ant eye view बन सकता है. This is also an ant eye view basically. But अगर हम ये जो vertical lines है इसको भी ऐसे कर दे बिल्डिंग की, तो ध्यान से देखना. ठीक है, अगर हम इसको भी 3-point में ले लें, so it will just exactly look how an ant would see the building, right? ये ant eye view लग रहा है. तो ant eye view 3-point, तो ant eye view ऐसे ही बनता है, 3-point में बनता है. अगर तुम्हें ant eye view में एक human बनाना है तो भी वो 3-point में बनेगा. So ant eye view is basically in 3-point. ठीक है, 2-point में मैं बता दिया, 2-point में बनाना है तो भी बना सकते हैं. यहाँ पे पॉइंट लेके ये लाइंस को स्ट्रेट कर दो. अगर 3-point में बनाना है तो ये वर्टिकल लाइंस
2-point और 3-point में ह्यूमंस कैसे बनेंगे?
हाँ, वही बता रही हूँ कि 2-point और 3-point में, 2-point में तो ह्यूमंस नहीं बनते, 3-point में बेसिकली बता रही हूँ एंट आई व्यू में कैसे बनेंगे. एंट आई व्यू में ऊपर भी एक पॉइंट होगा, है ना, यही होता है 3-point पर्सपेक्टिव, ऐसे ही होता है. तो बेसिकली तुम्हें क्या करना है कि ये तुम्हारा एक ऐसा फिगर बन जाएगा, राइट? सो मे बी दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ योर ह्यूमन. सो यूजुअली व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू मेक ह्यूमन फिगर्स, when we used to make human figures, what we used to do कि हम इसको middle से divide करते थे and we just used to make the normal human figure, right? But when we are making an anti-view, the entire proportions will change. Okay, so change कैसे होगा? यहाँ तक हो जाएगा उसका upper body and this one will be the lower body. Now this is not something which will come with a technique or something like that. This is according to the observation and according to your memory. ठीक है, इसकी जो face है that will be extremely small. Then इसके जो hands हैं it will be something like this, you know, and like this. And generally अगर हम 3-point में बना रहे हैं तो हम देखो कि जब ऊपर जा रहा है तो वो पतला होता जा रहा है, राइट? तो हमें बस बनाना ही ऐसे है कि जब वो ऊपर की तरफ जाए तो वो पतला हो जाए. मे बी दिस इज समथिंग इन हिज हैंड. ठीक है ना, एंड हिज हैंड विल, हिज शोल्डर्स विल बी स्मॉलर when it will go above towards the point, and as it will come down it will become a little bit more bigger, right? So maybe right, so this is how an ant will see the shoe or maybe something like this. So this is something you have to visualize. So this is how you will make a human in ant eye view. So this is a very technical level and उसमें थोड़ा सा imagination भी चाहिए होता है, that how are you able to imagine and are you able to visualize that how an ant will see a human. So this is how you make a human in ant eye view. Is it clear? मतलब इतना मुश्किल नहीं आएगा, but this is how you make it. This for everyone. ठीक है?
Yes, जी.
ठीक है, कोई भी चीज अगर नीचे से दिख रही होगी तो हर चीज का बेसिकली, अगर ये कोई सामान है, दिस इज अ पैकेट, सो दिस नीचे वाला पार्ट दिखेगा हर चीज का, बिकॉज देन एंट विल सी एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द डाउन साइड, राइट? तो ऐसे दिखेगा बेसिकली, और ऊपर की चीज जो होगी वो उतनी छोटी चली जाएगी, जैसे कि 3-point पर्सपेक्टिव में होता है, फेस तो दिखेगा ही नहीं. सो दिस इज हाउ यू मेक एन एंट आई व्यू. And जो buildings है, that is pretty much easy. You just have to make it in 3-point perspective. उसका तो proper technique होता है. But humans का कोई ऐसा hard and fast rule नहीं होता. You just have to make it through your imagination. Okay, guys. So let's wind up with today's class. Okay. So bye everyone. Bye everyone. All the best with the examination. Bye.
Thank you, Dee.
Okay. Bye bye. Also, guys, if you are a 2021 aspirant, you can follow our Instagram account, which is ssac.classes, because we upload a lot of assignments from our student on this Instagram account. So it will give you an idea how other students are attempting the questions, and it will be very beneficial for you in the examination because you will have ideas about many sketches and many types of questions. So I think that will be beneficial. So don't forget to follow this account if you are a 2021 aspirant, and if you are a NATA/JEE aspirant. Also, guys, if you are a 2022 aspirant, you can check our courses out for NATA JEE and NATA plus JEE. And if you are in 7th to 11th grade and you are sure that you want to become an architect or a designer, you can go for our drawing course, which is at ₹1,000 per month. So you can just contact us in the number which is given here in the website. So just check out the website and you can contact us any which ways, either on the email ID or on our WhatsApp number. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.